Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel where we turn ordinary houses into extraordinary homes. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at a shipping container and saw a home? Well, today you're going to. The world of modular architecture is evolving faster than ever, and in 2026, container homes aren't just about saving money. They're about high-end design, smart sustainability, and absolute creative freedom. Whether you're a minimalist, an eco-warrior, or just someone looking for the next big thing in property, you're about to see how these metal boxes are being transformed into the most stunning, modern living spaces you've ever laid eyes on. The world of architecture is experiencing a revolutionary shift, and at the forefront of this movement are shipping container homes. These innovative dwellings transform industrial cargo containers into stunning, sustainable living spaces that challenge traditional notions of home design. From tiny retreats to luxury mansions, container homes offer an eco-friendly, cost-effective alternative to conventional construction that's capturing imaginations worldwide. Shipping container homes represent more than just an architectural trend. They're a response to urgent environmental and housing affordability challenges. By repurposing containers that would otherwise contribute to waste, these homes embody the principles of reduce, reuse, and recycle while offering remarkable design flexibility. The benefits are compelling. Construction costs typically range from $25,000 to $250,000. Building time is significantly reduced compared to traditional homes, and the structural integrity of steel containers makes them incredibly durable. With proper insulation and design, these homes can last 25 to 50 years while maintaining energy efficiency. Now, let's explore 15 extraordinary shipping container homes from around the world that showcase the incredible potential of this innovative building approach. One, Casa Incubo, Costa Rica's solar-powered paradise. This remarkable Costa Rican container home uses 840-foot containers in a design that seamlessly blends industrial architecture with abundant solar panels and the natural environment. The clear-story windows add exceptional light and ventilation, making it a classic example of sustainable shipping container architecture. Discover containers. 2. The Starburst House, Joshua Tree's architectural marvel. Situated on 10 acres in Joshua Tree National Park, the Starburst House by Whitaker Studio is formed from 21 shipping containers arranged to create a 2,000 square foot, 3-bedroom home. Each container is strategically oriented to enhance desert views, control light intensity, and provide privacy, with solar panels providing sustainable power. Architectural Digest. 3. Container Studio, Hamptons Artist Retreat. This 900 square foot studio in the Hamptons uses 2 shipping containers perched over a 9-foot foundation cellar. Designed by MB Architecture for an artist seeking a compact creative space, it features double-height ceilings and sun-drenched interiors at a fraction of traditional construction costs. 4. Graceville Container Mansion, Australia's record-breaking home. One of the largest shipping container homes in the world, this Brisbane mansion incorporates 31 cargo boxes to create a 6,000 square foot family home. Built by Ziegler Build, it features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a gym, and a saltwater pool, proving that container homes can compete with traditional luxury residences. Love property. 5. Carroll House, Brooklyn's urban container masterpiece. This striking Williamsburg home uses 15 shipping containers stacked on a narrow 25-foot wide lot to create 5,000 square feet of living space. Designed by Lot EK in collaboration with Seahome, The diagonal cuts create dramatic architectural profiles while providing private interior spaces and underground garage access. 6. The Pacific Bin Cascade Mountains Retreat. Built from 5 shipping containers in Washington's Cascade Mountains, the Pacific Bin serves as a vacation rental designed to help guests disconnect and reconnect with nature. The soaring picture windows in each room incorporate the forest environment while maintaining affordability and sustainability. 7. Seahome Hudson Modular Luxury in New York. Located in Claverack near Hudson, New York, this prefabricated home uses 6 upcycled 40-foot containers to create 1,920 square feet of sophisticated living space. The design features an open layout with large glass walls providing cross-ventilation and expansive decks that extend living areas into natural surroundings. 8. Container Hotel, Czech Republic's mobile hospitality. Designed by Article Architects, this innovative seasonal hotel in Cases uses 3 containers to create 5 rooms across 2 levels. Fully mobile and self-sufficient, it features waterless toilets, built-in water reservoirs, and energy-efficient design elements including wastewood awnings. 9. Klein Hanklip Eco Cabin, South Africa's sustainable getaway. Overlooking False Bay in South Africa's Western Cape, this eco cabin was constructed from 2 40-foot containers by property developer Eddie Horn. Built in just 3 months, it features an open-plan interior with monochrome aesthetics and timber accents, plus a suspended hammock and terrace for outdoor living. 10. Woodside Container Home, Ohio's Forest Sanctuary. Located in Ohio's Amish country, this striking home uses 6 containers stacked to create a 2-story structure that blends with its woodland setting. Designed by Shelter Mode, it features 1,600 square feet of living space, natural wood exteriors, and industrial-style interiors with earth-tone wooden walls. 11. Container Mansion, Colorado's multi-level marvel. Built by a local firefighter, this impressive Colorado mansion spans 3,000 square feet using 9 shipping containers. The design features 25-foot-high ceilings, vast sliding glass doors, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and luxury touches including a projector screen for family entertainment. 12. Air Castle Treehouse, Texas gravity-defying design. This extraordinary Airbnb in Ladonia, Texas, uses 4 shipping containers stacked vertically and connected horizontally to create a unique treehouse experience. Located 50 feet in the air, it features rustic farmhouse aesthetics, multiple balconies, a hot tub, and a crow's nest observation deck. 13. Manifesto House, Chile Sustainable Showcase. Designed by Spanish firm James and Mao, this Chilean home uses 3 repurposed containers to create 1,722 square feet of living space. The unique pallet shutter system filters light and provides shade, while the cantilevered design creates dramatic architectural interest and panoramic countryside views. 14. Handmade Masterpiece, Missouri's DIY Dream. Built by Zach and Bree Smithy in St. Charles, Missouri, this remarkable home demonstrates the potential of owner-builder construction. Using 8 shipping containers and salvage materials, including 100-year-old church windows and 120-year-old brick, they created 3,100 square feet of living space for just $135,000 total construction cost. 15. The Glow House, California's Desert Oasis. Located in Wonder Valley's high desert, the Glow House transforms a 1958 shipping container into a tranquil retreat on 5 acres of desert landscape. The design emphasizes stargazing and outdoor living, featuring a rooftop deck with bathtub, fire pit, and beanbag loungers for ultimate relaxation. These 15 examples represent just the beginning of what's possible with shipping container architecture. As building codes adapt and construction techniques advance, we're seeing increasingly sophisticated designs that rival traditional luxury homes while maintaining the sustainability and affordability advantages that make container homes so appealing. From tiny studio retreats to massive 2-story family estates, it's clear that container homes have officially graduated from temporary solution to modern masterpiece. They're affordable, they're incredibly durable, and with the right design, they're undeniably beautiful. We hope this look at the latest trends has inspired you to see the potential in unconventional spaces and maybe even start planning your own dream project. Which of these container designs was your absolute favorite? Are you brave enough to trade a traditional house for a container home? Or would you use one as a secondary studio? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing your take. If you enjoyed this tour, please hit that like button to help the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for your weekly dose of architectural inspiration. Ring that bell, and we'll see you in the next video.